This is my fridge. In the door, there are eggs and 3 cartons of milk. Within 3 different kinds of milk. Soya milk, calcium milk, and free lactose milk. There is also an orange juice bottle, a raspberry jam jar, a butter packet. In my fridge, I have a lot of fruit. I have many oranges, bananas, apples, pears, mandarins, and lemon. I would like to have strawberries. Tomorrow I will buy them some. I also have a lot of vegetables like tomatoes, lettuce, carrots, and aubergine. I usually have green beans, but today I don't have them. There are a lot of dairy products and cheese. There is a packet of jam and packet of sausages. I have a wine bottle and cans of soft drink. I should have cans of beer. There is some meat. In the fridge there are a lot of ice cream, vegetable, and fish. There are also soup and croquettes. Bye.